miss you and we love you!
Birthday, Lola Jan! Ingat po la. Salamat po. God bless.
Thank you po.
Ikaw na ate.
La, happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Hindi halatang 70. Para mga 59 na ako. Para mga senior.
Okay na. Tita, happy birthday. Hopefully, sana maging masaya birthday mo at long live at marami pa sanang kaarawan na dumating sa'yo. Happy birthday, tita. We love you.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday
Wait lang.
to you!
Second version. Yung mga bagong ngayon eh. Hindi kabisado ni Papa pero
Sige.
sasabay.
Sige.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Hindi mo birthday yan! Birthday ni Lucy yan! Happy, happy, happy birthday! Sana'y mabusog mo kami! Thank you! Thank you,
Happy birthday,
tita!
La!
Happy
Tita,
birthday!
ingat lagi.
Love you!
God bless
Salamat! Thank you po!
Many more birthday to come.
Thank you sa lahat! Happy birthday!
Love you, tita.
Mwah.
Happy birthday, Lola! More birthdays to come. God bless. We love you.
Hello, Tita.
Hello, Tita Jan. Happy
birthday.
Wish you all the best, Tita Jan. All the best for you. Good health and more birthdays to come.
Wish ko po, ate, na lagi kang healthy at lagi kang masaya, lalo na sa mga apo mo, sa mga manugang, at kay Kuya Manny. Love, love, love. See you soon.
And happy birthday. God bless you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Jan! Wishing you po ng good health and God always keep you safe po sa buong family ninyo. Thank you po sa lahat ng blessings.
Ingat po palagi.
Ingat po kayo palagi.
God bless po.
Enjoy your birthday. Bye!
Bye po.
Lola Jan, kamusta na po? Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana na-enjoy po kayo sa birthday nyo and may your good health always and mag-ingat po palagi and wish you always a happy birthday po. Enjoy!
Happy birthday po, Lola Jan. I hope you enjoy your special day and thank you for all the blessings na binigay niyo po sa amin. We love you so much.
Hi Lola Jan, happy 70th birthday. Wish ko lang po more birthdays to come, at least umabot tayo 100. Good health and enjoy nyo lang po ang inyong birthday. Again, happy birthday po Lola Jan.
Hi Lola Jan, happy birthday. Thanks for everything. God bless you soon.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! Wish you have a good health always and alam mo na mahal ka namin. Stay safe. We love you so much. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day. God bless you always. Love you.
I love you!
Hi, Lucy! Happy birthday! Love you! Enjoy!
Ciao, Lucy. Dai pure amici napoletani. Ciao.
Happy birthday, Jan! Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo sa amin. Maraming salamat sa lagi kang nag-aalala rin sa Maynila para sa amin. Kaya mag-enjoy ka naman sa birthday ninyo, kayong mag-anak. Maging masaya kayo, maging maligaya kayo lagi. Laging mag-ingat kayo, lalo na sa pagbabiyahe ninyo. Mag-enjoy kayo. Happy birthday! Many more birthday to come. God bless sa inyong family.
Happy birthday to you.
birthday, Lucy! More birthday to come. God bless sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa mga tulong mo sa akin. Salamat sa inyong pamilya. Naway ma-enjoy mo ang birthday na ito. At laging masaya kayo.
Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy your day and I wish you and good health and you know we love you so much. Take care. See you soon. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Lucy. Thanks for everything.